In today's Canva hacks, tips and tricks, I'm going to show you how to do this cool effect just like this, where we can have someone coming through one of the letters. Now, as Christmas is coming up very soon, I decided to go with the Christmas theme, but this can actually be done with anything. So let me show you quickly, step by step, on how to do this. Now, first of all, you're going to need a background. This is just a snowy blue background. Again, I've gone with the Christmas theme. Then you're going to need your letters, your words, on the canvas like this. Now, if you want to know what font this is a free font in Canva, I believe, and it's called Redressed. Now, what I've done is just put an outline on the outside, then I've duplicated that text, put it behind it, and then put a little drop shadow on that just to give it a bit more of a pop effect. Now from here, we're going to need a person. So I have 3 people just here. It's actually the same woman, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So let me just go ahead and copy this. Then let's go ahead and paste it onto our project. Now from here, what we want to do is use the background remover. So if we come up to edit image just here, we can then use the background remover to remove all of the background. Then we can click apply. Now we're just going to crop this a little bit, and now we're going to enlarge this. So what we want to do is put it directly in the center. Now this can be done with quite a few different letters as well. You can do it on N's, S's. What I suggest doing is just playing around with this and giving it a go. Now from here, what we want to do is click on the image, and then we're going to push it behind the letters, just like so. Then what we want to do is copy and paste this image, put it directly on top like that, and then we can crop half of the image. So if we crop this like that, it's going to give us the effect that that leg has gone through that letter. Or if we put that back like so, we can do the top half of the body instead, so it looks like the top half has gone through the letter as well. So as you can see, this effect is really simple to do and it looks great. And again, this can actually be done on so many different types of letters. So come through to Canva and give it a go. Now, if you enjoyed this little Canva hack, then click right here and watch this Canva Hacks playlist.